Today, let's prepare soft, fluffy idlis served with hot, flavorful South Indian sambar. To make idlis, we need idli rice, urad dal, water and salt. Wash the idli rice and urad dal separately, then soak them for 4 to 6 hours. Grind the urad dal into a smooth, light and fluffy batter, adding water gradually as needed. Next, grind the rice into a slightly coarse batter. Combine both batters in a bowl, add salt and mix well. Allow the batter to ferment overnight. Grease the idli molds and pour in the fermented batter. Steam the idlis over medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Let them cool slightly, then gently remove the soft idlis from the molds. To prepare the sambar, we need toor dal, vegetables, tamarind and spices. Pressure cook the toor dal until soft, then mash it well. In a separate pot, boil the vegetables with turmeric, salt and water. Add tamarind pulp and sambar powder and mix well. Now add the cooked dal and let the sambar simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, dried red chilies, curry leaves and asafoetida. Pour this tempering over the sambar and mix well. Serve the hot idlis with delicious homemade sambar. Try this easy idli sambar recipe and enjoy. If you need the full list of ingredients, check the description box below. For more Indian food videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.